1966 Chevrolet C10 Shortbox step-side pickup, a unique, especially in classics. 350 crate V8 underneath the hood. Paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic, 350 to be exact. Quadrajet 4-barrel on top of that. Power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at this front chrome bumper. Chrome's in nice shape. One little dinger right down here, it looks like. Nothing major. Blacked out front grille. Now, if you want to take your time looking through the still pictures of this truck, still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right to our website. It'll check out all the pics, underside, interior, engine bay, bed. And you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on ultra polished wheels, radial tires, like new, put on 3-4 years they've been on. Let's take a look down the passenger side of this truck. Does have new wheel cylinders. Call it kind of a canary yellow. Black interior. Interior has been reupholstered as well as new carpeting put in. It's one of those trucks. Get in, drive it, have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows. Aftermarket stereo system, seat belts. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at that interior. First, I want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Chrome in the rear bumper looks good also. They look like they're either new bumpers or have been re-chromed. Technicians noted the speedo is in op in this one, so no speedometer. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're into classic pickups, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We get a lot of trucks that come through here. And if you're just into older vehicles in general, like looking at cars, go ahead and subscribe. You never know what you may see come through here at uniqueclassiccars.com. These vehicles are available to purchase when the vehicles are uploaded. The videos are uploaded, I actually should say. And videos are uploaded daily. As we take a look up and down the driver's side, let's take a little closer look at this interior. All right. Door panels painted to match. Black armrest. 6x9s installed in the door. Stereo system does work. I've had the wipers working. I did mention seat had been reupholstered, as you can see. Black vinyl in good shape. Kind of a charcoal to black. Dark charcoal, maybe I'd say carpeting. Also in nice shape. Visors. Let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run. Kenwood stereo system, and again, stereo system is working fine. Painted to match dash. Door closes nicely. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Sounds good. Let's slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop this hood open. Let you take a peek at the engine bay. They do have a little bit of erosion on the side of the hood. Let me go ahead and pause this. Let's check out that engine bay. Remember to stick around to the very end of this video, and we're going to take this truck for a drive too, so you can see how it goes down the road. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. Again, crate 350. Power steering, power brakes. Quadrajet 4-barrel. Heater hose is intact. There's a battery disconnect over here for in between drives. Maybe while it's in storage. Gives you an idea what the engine bay looks like. Stick around a little longer. We're going to take it for a drive. 1966 Chevrolet C10 Shortbox step side. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time looking through the still pictures. 507-386-1726, number to call. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1966 Chevrolet C10. Bright yellow finish and a nicely reupholstered bench seat. Wipers work on this truck. We have a Kenwood stereo in the dash. The speedometer does not move, does not have a needle that I can tell. We do get some noise from the speedometer, so I started the video a little early so we can cover some things before we get to that point. New looking carpet. Great starter, great idler, good running truck. We will get some noise from that speedometer, like I said. But she's got a nice rumble. As soon as the traffic's out of the way, we'll get going here. A little slack in the steering in this truck. Good throttle response. Keep it slow a little bit. There's that noise. All right, let's get going. Steering wheel is clocked a little bit to the right. That does not affect performance. Once you get back down to town speeds, I'd say 25, maybe 30. The speedometer noise does go away. This truck corners as it should. Our fuel gauge does appear to be working. It's between a quarter and a half tank. Great running truck. I'd probably disconnect that speedometer, or you can always install a new one. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this Chevrolet at UniqueClassicCars.com.